Oh my god, they are already at the corner. Anjali, where are you? Get ready fast. Don't you know the Kapoors will be here at any moment? Rekha, even you. It's our Anjali's wedding. Why are you taking so much time to get ready?
Oh, please stop panicking. Almost everything is done and everyone is ready. So don't worry. Also, I think now it's time for you to get into proper pants and not in shorts.
"20 minutes later."
See Rekha, I'm ready now. Are you both ready? We will be here at any moment now. Everything is ready now?
Yes, Papa, I'm also ready. Take a chill pill. Everything will be fine. And it's not like this is my first time. This is literally the 8th time I have to doll up for the people to come and see me.
So, y'all might be thinking what this chaos is about, aren't you? So, basically, the Batras are a generous and a down to earth middle class family who are now looking for a compatible boy for their elder daughter Anjali. The Kapoors, a rich high class family, are coming to the Batras' house to see their daughter Anjali and for asking for her hand in marriage for their one and only son Rahul. So, let's see how this meet goes.
Everybody come a welcome, welcome to the party, come a welcome, welcome. Everybody come a welcome, to the party, come a welcome.
Your house is good only, huh? Good.
Jayaji, don't you feel you have worn the wrong footwear? But it looks good on you. Nice, very nice.
Amitabh ji, you're very observant, huh? But it is today's fashion. What would you know?
Rekha, see, try this once. It looks really nice. But I don't think it will look good on you. Jayaji, you are true fashions.
When was the last time you have been so observant towards me?
Welcome once again. Mr. Kapoor, please have the sweets. Jayaji, you like jalebi? It's sweet like you. Please have.
Oh my god, jalebi. I'll just have a bite. I'm on a diet. Jalebi is good only. But let's just come to the point. Where's the bride?
तेरा शाहनादा चढ़िया सखियों नी मेरा सजिया हाँ मेरा सजना मिलया सजना मिलन वादाइया नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी मेरा सज
Plastic tray. Okay, it's good only.
Okay, beta. So, tell me about yourself.
I like traveling. And also I like to go on adventures with my friends. And I'm very ambitious about my career. And
Cooking. You don't know how to cook. Cannot cook.
well, auntie, we have always had Ram uncle to cook. So I never really had to enter in the kitchen. But I know how to cook Maggie.
Maggie? Okay. It's good only.
Also, yeah, what about your education?
I have done interior designing from MIT University and currently I am working in an MNC. But I'm thinking of doing specialization further with my ongoing job.
Studies and job after marriage?
Jaya, how much will you interrogate her? Let Rahul and Anjali go and talk in private.
Now we've got to know each other, so let's talk about Lakshmi ji.
Huh?
Hey, Lakshmi ji. Nothing much. much? वही पैसा गाड़ी मकान. Like it will be 1 car, 10 lakhs, 1 house, and little gold. Whatever you all send with Anjali is good only. And if you all think all this is less, then you all can add more also. We are fine with that. Like that, so we have everything. But you all know now, all this is part and parcel of marriage. And after all, Anjali will be living with us. So
Mr. Joking, you're Kapoor, right? Mr. Kapoor, you're joking, right? This joke is already killing us.
We know we are funny, but this is not a joke.
How this meet goes.
So you're asking for dowry.
Things have different name these days. If you want, you can call it that.
Mr. Kapoor, I don't think you have came out of your wedding yet. It's not the 90s. We are in the 21st century and you're asking for dowry? This is not done.
I don't think there is any need to react so much. We are not even asking for a lot of things. These are just a few things. So please, don't create an issue of this.
We are creating an issue. Don't you think you all are the issue? Is it even right to ask for a dowry in the 21st century? If educated people like you will ask for the dowry, then what can be expected from the illiterate?
So you all want to say we are illiterate for doing something that has been done for ages. Please, get your facts cleared. Dowry is a part and parcel of marriage. And wait, you all expect us to take care of your Anjali for free.
I agree. It has been going on for the ages now. But don't you think we should bring about a change and not support such dark cultures of the society? Don't you think we should use our education in the right way?
See, Baba, please don't give these bookish lectures to us. We are still being generous and asking for less. And if you cannot even give this much, then I don't know how you will get your both daughters married.
Enough is enough. I don't want all this drama. Say it clearly that you can't afford such a less amount. Instead of going on our education, if you can't pay, please no. We are leaving. Janandini, let's leave. We will also see how the Batras will get their daughter married.
No, please don't go. We'll find some way. Please come down.
It is true that when it is about a daughter, the father does not think about himself or money, but only about his daughter's happiness. And that is what happened here. Mr. Batra did not think about the money, but thought about his daughter because he considered that even if the family is backward minded, Rahul is very considerate about Anjali and can keep her happy. So the dowry discussion continued and they decided to give the dowry. After Rahul's family left, Anjali's family was left with an intense atmosphere. They were worried about how they will gather the dowry. Let's see what happens.
20 minutes later.
Why can't we just break this wedding? Why are we letting our Anjali go in such a house?
No, it's not like that. Even if the family is new, Rahul seems to be a very nice boy. He was very well mannered and is well to do. He has a permanent government job. And I feel he will definitely keep our Anjali happy. I feel for Anjali we should not break this wedding. We have already rejected 8 boys over the same reason, dowry. I don't think that it's a big deal that people ask us for dowry. And as they have also asked us for a house, Anjali and Rahul can stay there after their wedding. We should think about the wedding. I think we'll have to take a loan or we'll have to sell our farmland. That's all we can do.
What is happening in this house? I'm so worried for thee. I think I should tell her everything so that we can do something about this.
A few moments later.
What happened, Tina? You look worried.
No, nothing. You tell me, how was your meet with Rahul?
It was really good. We have a lot of similarities. And he is a mature boy, very straightforward, and a man with clarity of thoughts. I told him what all I would like to do after marriage, and he seems okay with that. And most importantly, he is against dowry. And I don't think so there is any reason to reject him.
That's great.
You still look worried. What is the matter? Is everything alright?
Not really, Dee. I don't know if I should tell you this or not, but I'm really worried about Ma Papa and you. The thing is, Rahul's parents have asked for dowry, asked for one car, one house, and 10 lakh rupees, and Papa has decided to sell our farmland to meet their demands.
What? This is terrible. How can they ask for dowry in 21st century? They call themselves educated and high class and still support such things. The way Rahul spoke to me, and I never thought his family would be like this. Enough is enough. We have to do something. We will teach the couples a lesson.
Yeah, true. I will support you in whatever you decide, and I'm ready to do whatever you plan.
Listen carefully. The Kapoor have asked us for gold in dowry, right?
Anjali tells Karina the entire plan. Later, they convince the Kapoors that they would give just the gold on the engagement day and the remaining dowry on the wedding day.
Several days later.
The decoration and all is good only. Could have been better, but it's okay. Good only, good only.
Before the ring ceremony starts, let's do give and take. You can give us gold now.
Yes, sure. Why not? Ramu Kaka, get the gold. Here, take your gold.
Is this a joke to you?
I know I am funny, but this is not a joke. Things have different names these days. And these are also gold biscuits. And with a mentality like yours, you deserve nothing more than these biscuits.
What is going on? I'm so clueless.
Why you are acting so clueless? And if you're really clueless, then why don't you ask your own parents about it?
What is she saying, Ma? I need to know.
What they will tell you. I will tell you what happened. They asked us for a car, a house, 10 lakhs and gold as a dowry. And if we wouldn't be ready to give, they threatened us to sabotage my image.
This is unbelievable, Mappa. How could you do this? Even knowing that people will not keep relations with us because of you guys taking dowry. You know what? I'm ashamed to be your son. You know that I'm against all this, but still you're doing this.
This is so shameful. Even in 21st century, we have to deal with dowry issues. But I'm glad that at least Rahul is against dowry.
Ma, Pa, I'm not here to do business. This is my life, not a deal that you make. I like Anjali for what she is, and I'd still accept her even if they're not giving a single penny.
The engagement is successfully complete, as now Rahul completely rejects his parents from taking dowry. Mr. and Mrs. Kapoor realizes their mistake and apologize to the Batras. Everyone is enjoying the engagement.
So happy. Anjali is finally getting engaged to such a mature boy. But Anjali, when did you plan to change the actual gold biscuits with the fake ones?
Come watch.
What is
Listen carefully. The Kapoor have asked us for gold in dowry, right? We will convince them that they will get their gold in the engagement and remaining later. But what we will do is, we will give them the fake gold biscuits during the engagement.
Anjali and Rahul get engaged and both the families come to being on good terms. But what we as a group want to highlight is the evils of the dowry system and how it can lead to families to sell their assets. The Indian criminal laws were comprehensively amended to include dowry as a punishable offence. According to section 304B, giving or accepting dowry is illegal. India has by far the highest number of dowry related deaths in the world according to the Indian National Crime Record Bureau. In 2020, 7,000 dowry death cases were recorded across India. One death can shatter an entire family, and in 2020 we had so many families shatter. These are just the recorded cases. We cannot even imagine the number of unrecorded cases in so many rural as well as urban areas. In this story, we saw that Anjali was an independent woman and so she stood up for herself and for her family and prevented her father from going into a vicious cycle of debt. But there are so many women and families which are left with no choice but to give dowry. It is time we spread awareness about how dowry is an evil in the society and how we should stop people from practicing this.
Oh my god, jalebi. I just have a bite, huh? Here we go. No, no, please don't go. We'll find some issue. Please calm down.
Okay.
We'll find some issue.